Chris Benham. I work in the travel industry, and we're a company of around 3,500 people. So I've been in the IT industry now for nearly 25 years, worked in the security space previously, and then made a massive jump into the leisure and tourism industry, and I've been working in that industry for 12 years. So we wanted to implement Zero Trust very early, and we launched a project to do so. We evaluated the market space and chose Duo as the chosen platform for its simplicity and ease of use, particularly for the end user. Its simplicity for the end user and its integration into conditional access for Entra works extremely well for that. Ease of use for our user base, thus driving less support tickets, easier to deploy. So it integrates into Intune and Jamf for our end user platforms. And also it fits very well with our bring your own device policy from mobiles. It's a cost on top of our Entra costs, of course, which we're always reviewing, but the benefits outweigh the cost in terms of its simplicity, it's easy to use to the end user base, and its flexibility with other components we can use and integrate, such as OTP when we need it. Oh, massively. We were able to implement Zero Trust extremely quickly because of the platform and its ongoing development, including Duo Network Gateway, has enabled that transition to Zero Trust extremely quickly, which has been a fantastic journey for us and that strategical objective. Native Entra is the other platform, but it was very much in its infancy back then. Again, for its flexibility, the range of features that it has, particularly with ease of use for our end user, that is paramount. And providing that extra layer of security with that ease of use for our end user has been superb. Yeah, it was fairly easy to roll out. You know, it touched multiple teams, right? Because you've got the end user support, you've got operations, the integration to Entra. So it was a multi-phase approach, multi-team effort, and of course, change management throughout the organization. Again, the key here, what's the most important part? What's the most difficult part to do? It's our end user base. And at the end of the day, that's what Duo was picked because the app is so easy to use for our end user base, supports multiple platforms. And if you're going to look at the most challenging thing with a rollout, that's where you need to look rather than behind the scenes and the work of integrating it into your conditional access flows or whatever IDP you use. The support Cisco have showed us throughout has been fantastic. We speak to the product development team as part of that relationship and they listen to our ideas readily. We've discussed those YubiKey ideas, for example. So now it's a great product and a great team behind it. Consider it very carefully for the points that I've stated. It's a fantastic product and it's easy to use. It's easy to roll out for our end user base. We found it a very valuable product to have, and that ROI has been shown specifically with reduction in support.